Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a part 2 of my previous video. So in that video we talked about why you'd want to track a particular wallet, how to spot red flags using bubble maps on certain tokens on new launches, especially tools you can use to track someone's portfolio so you can see what tokens they hold and their transactions, and also how to get notification on their trades. So if they're buying something, selling something, how to get notifications on that wallet, so on those wallets. So that's what we talked about in that video. And in today's video, what I want to do is give you actual wallet addresses. So I'm going to give you a cheat sheet that I found. It's quite interesting. It's got a lot of the official links of the tools that I've talked about, and also the Telegram bot, how to set it up and how to actually copy our wallet trade. So if they buy a token, sell a token, how you'd actually be able to do that. So first things first, this is the cheat sheet. So it's just a website I found that had a lot of the interesting links, including Maestro, which is the bot that I'm gonna show you how. Which the bot I'm gonna show you, that's the one that allows you to copy other people's trades. Then you have a deck screener, which is obviously I spoke about in the previous video. So I'll just leave all the links in the description per usual. So in terms of wallet, there's a gentleman by Thor. He's actually gathered a lot of the crypto fund wallet. So you got Jump Capital, A16Z, Dragonfly, etc. So you can just go into each one of them and you can see all of their wallet addresses. So these are mainly the funds, and he's also got notable people as well. So you got Arthur Hayes, Tetranode, Andrew Kang, Kobe, Zach XBT. So yeah, so you can click on any one of them and you will see their wallet addresses. On top of that, I've also got this list, which has a lot of interesting people. Also, some of them obviously the same, but yeah, someone else made this. I'm not sure. But obviously credit to them for creating this. This is also good. And also over the time that I've been collecting, I'm finding this interesting of following other people's wallet. I've also saved links of like interesting wallets, so I'll post them as well. And if the description gets too messy, what I'll do, I'll just post all the information, including how to use the bot, the settings. I'll post it in my Telegram chat, so I'll leave the link for that. I've just opened the chat recently, so I'll just post it in there to basically make it more active, etc. So these are basically all the wallets, and then on top, obviously you have the random wallets. So that's the wallets, right? And then in terms of the copying trades, the bot's called Maestro Sniper Bot. So just to give you the official link, so this is the official Twitter, this is the official website. So you can no, basically obviously make sure you just don't get scammed. So once you open the bot, you're gonna basically first be told to like join a few wallets. So bear in mind it's in beta, and it takes 1% fee on buys and sells. And obviously make sure you use a new wallet specifically for this bot. Don't use a wallet where you already have funds on it, obviously, so you can reduce your risk. So basically what you want to do is, let's just go at the start. It's going to tell you to hit Sniper. So you just hit Sniper. It might tell you to join a few of their Telegram groups. You can just do that. And then what you want to do is generate a wallet first. So choose the network and then hit, because I already created one, I'll have to disconnect that one. So now connect a new wallet. Sorry, not connect. I need to do generate wallet. So as you can see, it's giving me an address, private key, mnemonic, phase. So obviously I won't use these wallets, but what you want to do is, store this in a safe place. And so once you've generated it, you want to go into the settings. So what you want to do is go into config. You want to make sure anti-rug and anti-mev is turned on, so they're on by default. Then you want to go into the buy settings, and you want to make sure auto buy is on. And max buy tax, so max buy tax is here. You're going to put 10 in here and hit enter. And then you're gonna do gas delta is gonna be 3. So gas delta 3 done. So you'll even confirm the setting has been done. So then once you've done that, you go into the sell setting and pretty much do the same thing. So go into sell, then make sure auto sell is on, and then gas delta gonna be 3, and make sure you delete sell high, sell low, sell high, sell low, delete them. So that's that. And then next you're gonna go to approve, and then make sure auto approve is turned on. It's on by default, so just leave it like that. So once you create the wallet, you go to buy, sell, and approve, and you change the settings that you need to. So once you've done that, that's your wallet actually created. Okay, it's very simple, and those are the settings you need. Now what you're gonna do is fund the actual wallet. So this the address. You're gonna send Ethereum to it. Once you've received the Ethereum, you wanna actually set the wallet up that you're actually gonna copy the trade of. So the wallet that we're gonna get from here, we're gonna get, let's say for example, we get this wallet address. So let's just copy that address. As you can see, 3 minutes ago, these tokens, ISST or whatever. So just a dummy wallet that I found one of the links. So what we're going to do now is basically go into the main menu again. So we just go all the way to the start, and then it's Sniper, and then we're going to go to copy trade. And then once we go into copy trade, you're going to hit the network is going to be Ethereum, obviously. And then this is one of the previous wallets. So I'm just going to go to add wallet. You're not going to have this. So you're just going to go to add wallet or contract. So it's going to say, what do you want to name it? So I'll just put ISST. So I remember, look, it has to be no more than 8 characters. So just keep that in mind. Hit enter. Now it's going to ask you for the actual address. So I'll put the address in. You can't add a wallet you own. Alright, it's basically because I've already got one of these wallets. When I was doing the test, I already added this. So let's try that again. Add wallet. So what would you like to name it? Add T, and then you ask for the address. So paste the address in. So basically, because I already had followed it before, it's not letting me follow again, which makes total sense. So yeah, now you've done that. Now you just want to go into the settings of that wallet that you're copying. So hit that. And then basically just follow. Like I said, I'll put the settings written in my chat. If the description gets too messy, but also you can just see visually the changes that I make. So what you want to do is make sure auto buy is on. So auto buy is on, and also you want to make sure auto sell is on as well. Auto sell is on, and you also want to make sure the slippage is 10%. So slippage is going to hit 10. Buy amount, you want to make sure you put that in so it knows how much you can use. So for example, we can use 0.123. Just obviously you want to go slow at the start, so hit whatever you're comfortable with. Obviously make sure, because it's on Ethereum, you don't want to go too low because the gas fees are probably going to be like, maybe not make it worth it if you go too low. And that's basically it. Make sure so delete, sell high and sell low. That's the last thing. So sell low, sell high. You just need to delete those, and that's it. So now automatically whenever it whenever this wallet buys anything or sells anything, you're gonna automatically be able to, it's automatically gonna buy and sell for you. So that's it. And yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.